What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hustle X1M, King Hustle 2.0. King Hustle Crazy Reactions, The Hustle Family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So a lot of people have been hitting me up in my inbox like, yo, King Hustle, you need to get back to the old King Hustle. Back when you was dropping 4-5 videos a day, just dropping gym after gym after gym after gym. So what we gonna do is we about to get back to the old ways. We about to get back to the old King Hustle where I'm dropping nothing but fire gems, nothing but fire music, and nothing but fire content. So we about to get geared up. So for 2024, it's gonna be nothing but pure fire content, from gems on how to make money, from music to entertainment content to podcast to everything. We're gonna turn it up a notch, all right? So, and this is gonna be the start of the first video, all right? I'm getting back to dropping multiple videos a day. I'm getting back to dropping multiple videos on all my channels, multiple songs, videos a week. We about to turn it up, all right? So today, this video, I'm about to really drop some gems because a lot of people fail to realize the main goal of doing anything out here. Everybody want to get rich. Everybody want to become successful. Everybody want to become wealthy. Everybody want to live the lavish life. Everybody want to drive the best cars and live in the best homes, etc., etc. And it's all possible. But a lot of people fail to realize that no one's going to give it to you. No one's going to say, hey, you want $1 million? You want to live in this house? You want to drive this car? No. Everybody that you see living successful, living the life that you want to live, they did something to put themselves in that position. They said, you know what? I'm going to go hard at this. I'm going to go hard at that so I can actually put myself in a position to win. Point blank, period. A lot of people don't understand the hard work and the dedication it takes behind the scenes to get where we are. And a lot of people don't understand that just because you have $1 million doesn't mean you don't have to do anything for the rest of your life. A lot of people, when we grow up, we say, man, I wish I had $1 million. That's the number one goal everybody wish. I wish I had $1 million. I wish I had $1 million, right? Which is perfectly fine. But $1 million is not a lot of money. You get $1 million, you spend $1 out of that $1 million, you're no longer a millionaire. It's things out here that cost more than $1 million. It's cars that cost more than $1 million. It's buildings that cost more than $1 million. It's franchises that you can buy that cost more than $1 million. So $1 million is not a lot of money. It's just part of the 1% club that a lot of people don't actually get a chance to reach $1 million and make $1 million and have $1 million in their bank accounts, or et cetera, right? But with this generation, with how this world is working, it's a lot easier to become a self-made millionaire, self-made entrepreneur, a self-made boss, man or woman. And it's a lot of people who watch my videos who don't understand the logistics of what's going on in the world. Now, I preach and teach a lot of people on a daily basis how to make a lot of money, how to make passive income, how to make $1,000 on a daily basis by sitting in a chair, by doing nothing, just having an iPhone, by having the knowledge. Because at the end of the day, knowledge is power. As long as you have the knowledge about something, you can turn it into power. But you have to also apply that knowledge that you have to turn it into power, right? So with that being said, how are you going to get rich? How are you going to make your first $1 million? How are you going to make your first $100,000? How are you going to make your first $10,000? All profit. Now, it's a lot of different ways that you can do that. You just have to ask yourself, what are you willing to do and what are you willing to sacrifice? Because you're going to have to do something that you're going to not be comfortable doing, and you're going to have to sacrifice something that you really don't want to sacrifice. It might be time. It might be a relationship. It might be some type of habit that you have. It could be a lot of different things that's hindering you from doing the things that you need to do. It might be people that you need to stop being around, right? Because those people you around might deteriorate you from actually doing what you want to do. They might think what you want to do is corny, is lame, so You don't want to feel corny and lame, so you're letting them dictate your life, what you want to do that's going to hinder you from making this money. But if you get away from them and you do what you want to do and away from people so they can't judge you, you're going to do what you want to do and it's going to work for you. Now they're going to do what you want to do. They're going to want to be followers. They're going to ask you, hey, man, how you do that? Can you help me? I'm trying to get some money too. That's how it works, right? So I preach and I teach the #1 money game in the world, which is credit. Credit revolves around everything. When you go apply for a house, a car, a credit card, anything, they check your credit score, right? So how do you build credit? How do you get rich off credit? And it's 100% easy. You have to understand it's personal credit and it's business credit. Personal credit, everything you do on your personal side is for emergency purposes. So credit cards, loans, lines of credit, all that is for emergency purposes only. Everything on the business side is for you to spend and make more money off of. When you get business loans, lines of credit, and credit cards, they give you that money so you can go spend and make some more money so you can pay back that loan and continue to build your business. That's what it's for. A lot of people don't understand the magnitude of having an LLC and an EIN number. You can literally start making money ASAP, as long as you have those two. As long as you can get, it's credit cards you can get, it's tax credits you can get. Long as you have an LLC and an EIN number. A lot of people get their LLC and their EIN number and they also believe that as long as they got that, they have a business. No, you have to actually structure your business so when you go to apply for these business loans and lines of credit and credit cards and they go to check and see if you're an actual business, you actually have things going on with this business, you're going to be good in the good standards when you're getting that loan or credit card that you want. I also told you guys, you can outsource everything that you need to build your business on Fiverr. They will create you a website. They will get you a business email, a business number, a business address. They will do all that for you. So once you pay, give them a couple of days, a week, or whatever, how long it takes. They're going to do everything for you. So once you go check out everything, you will have a structured business. Now you can start getting you a Paydex and Paynext score, because we all know, because I said it in over 800 videos, long as you have a Paydex or Paynext score of 80 or better on your business side, you can basically get any loan that you want. You do not have to have $50,000 in the bank to get a $50,000 business loan. You clearly need a loan for a reason, so they know you don't have the money. But I also told you guys how to structure your business and personal credit profiles so you can finesse the banks or the lenders, so when they go to check and look, they'll see that you are somebody that is qualified to get these loans and these credit cards. Why? Because one, boom, everything is classified. Everything is ran off your debt, your payment history. When you get a loan, they're going to go look and see what's your debt. How good are you paying off this debt? Do you have delinquent payments or do you have exceptional payments? That's where the trade lines come in. A lot of people don't have a lot of trade lines on their account. So a lot of people don't want to continuously get things in their name. So when it comes to trade lines and AUs, people get those. You're supposed to have 5 credit cards on your personal credit, and you're supposed to have a decent amount of credit debt on your credit that you're paying off to build your credit score. Trade line supply, creditstrong.com. You can get $42,500 worth of trade lines from creditstrong.com. You can get over $100,000 in credit card AU accounts on trade line supply. That will juice your credit profile up. You get you 5 cards at $30,000. That's what? $150,000. Then you get the $42,500 trade line from creditstrong.com. That's almost $200,000 that you have reporting on your credit profile. So you get those, you let it report, then you go apply for these loans, and they go to check and they see that, you won't have a problem getting approved for these loans. But if you're not doing that, you don't have an Experian account, you don't know where your credit stands at, you just watching videos on YouTube, and you be sloppy, and you just going to apply for it, you're not getting approved, and then you get mad, you're not using common sense, because it's not no free giveaway. A lot of people feel like everything that you see people doing to get money this way and that way is a free giveaway. No, it has to be done the right way. If you're not doing it the right way, you're not going to get it. You have to fill out a loan the right way to get approved. You got to fill out a credit card application to get approved. Everything has to be done the right way. So, with that being said, how are you going to get rich in 2024? How are you going to change your ways, your motion, whatever you're doing so you can become successful in 2024? We got one more month left. You can start right now. Figure out, what are you going to offer? What are you going to sell? Start changing your ways. Start getting away from people that's a negative impact on your life. Start learning and actually watching my videos and listen to what I'm saying about credit, because you can literally get credit cards. You can go get your credit card. Okay, I told y'all about credit card stacking. That it's credit cards out there that will report to one credit bureau. So you can get you 3 to 4 credit cards that report to one credit bureau. That's credit card stacking. So you can get you 4 credit cards on Experian, 4 on TransUnion, and 4 on Equifax at all $25,000 on the business side. That's credit stacking. Now you can liquidate all the money off those credit cards into cash. Now you got the money in cash. And like I said, credit cards is the money is on the card. Lines of credit is the money is in the bank, but you only responsible for the amount that you spend. And loans, you get a $100,000 loan, you're responsible for the whole $100,000. It's all based off what you want to, how you want to do it. So if you don't want to carry around cash all day, you're going to have plenty business credit cards. If you want to go buy a major purchase, you're going to go to liquidate that cash off that credit card, but you're also going to pay that back. So it's all about putting yourself in a position to make passive income. You got to make sure you take that money they're giving you, invest it into some type of product or something or somebody that can make you a percentage and make you money back without you having to do anything at all. All right. So 2024, we're going to work on investing, work on passive income, work on finding new trades, new hustles, how we can all become rich, because there's a lot of different ways out there. Anybody can do it. It's all about investing. It's all about making passive income. It's not about buying chains and Rolexes and diamonds and all that. No, none of that matters, because once you go do these deals with these people in the higher power, in the higher world, you're not going to want to wear none of that. You're not going to wear this. You're going to might wear a gold Rolex or something like that, but you're going to want to be presentable. You want to be, you want to make yourself look like you're somebody professional. Like I said, it's only 12 months in a year. So while everybody trying to buy these cars and big houses and all that, wasting time and not investing and worried about the wrong things, time is going to fly past. And once time fly past, you're going to be stuck in the same spot. And the things that I'm telling you to do, the things that I'm doing, you're going to see the elevation, the growth. Because like I said, just because people are millionaires or people's situations are different. Some people aren't getting paid $50,000 on a daily basis or a monthly basis or things like that. People are actually working hard. We are grinding and hustling to get this and make it help you guys make the same way, because if we can do it, you guys can do it too. All right. So you really start elevating, you really start ready to make some money. 2024 gonna want to be your year. Start paying attention to what I'm saying and listen to what I'm saying, because I'm literally telling you the same things that I'm doing that's helping my credit grow, that's building my business credit, that's helping me get loans and credit cards for my business. Because like I said, some people have money, some people don't. So some people might need more loans and credit cards than other people. If you got a stream of income where you're making some type of cash, like let me give you an example. I own businesses, so which means I have passive income coming in, which means I have enough passive income coming in that I can invest where I don't need to go get as many loans as the next person has. But the next person might not have as many streams and passive income coming in, so they might need to get that loan so they can invest to get that stream and passive income. So y'all see where I'm going. So everybody's situation isn't the same. Don't worry about the next person, just worry about you. Put yourself in a position so you won't have to get those loans. You can make the most passive income as possible. You make yourself make a $500,000 a month in passive income. Who can stop you? I'm trying to make $1 million in passive income on a monthly basis. 100,000, $250,000, that's cool a month, but we want to make $500,000 to $1 million a month in passive income by investing. And the more we invest, the more we'll be blessed. All right, so all my people 2024 that's ready to make these millions, ready to start making hundreds of thousands of dollars on a monthly basis in passive income, tap in, let's win, let's get to work, financial freedom, and we're going to all get this money. All right, shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their New Age Credit Repair handbook that will give you and teach you step-by-step how to clean and repair and build your personal and business credit, all for $250 step-by-step, and it comes with the CPN package. All right, so do not miss out on that deal. Also, anybody out there looking to get the FaceTime 101 unlimited gems for $600 for a limited time, Prices will be going back to regular prices soon for $1,200. So right now, FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems is $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment, all right? Once the $600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we're going to go from there. What's all included with the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems? You will get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free live cards, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook. You will learn how to make passive income. You will learn how to make $1,000 a day on a daily basis, all profit, sitting down, not doing nothing, all off your iPhone. You will learn and get the introduction to the dark web, the DW, how to make DW sites. You will get everything that you need to know and want to know, all in the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems, all right? So you ready to get the introduction to start making real money, real passive income, real thousands of dollars on a daily basis? Get your FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems right now. Ain't nobody doing it like me. Ain't nobody teaching and giving the gems like I'm doing. Look at all the videos that I post and all the vouchers that I post. People are really learning how to make some money, all right? Because there's a billion ways how to get it. And I learned so many ways that I'm going to just give it off to y'all, all right? So I'm helping people out. Get y'all FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems, all right? Do not write me or contact me. You don't me none of that unless you're ready to get some type of lesson or some type of payment ready, all right? So remember that. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems is $600. Cash App and Bitcoin payment. Contact me on my Telegram or on my IG, King Hustle X1M or Wealth and Riches. All right. Mentorships is $2,500. You want me to take you under my wing, help you start making passive income, help you start making this free money off this YouTube and everything like that. $2,500. But if you want to get your in-person Unlimited Gems, tap into the crypto tour. Right now, we back and rolling. We getting the game going. We're about to start the year off right, but you can still book me right now. I've been in and out of state, flying, giving lessons, Arizona, Las Vegas, California, Houston, Milwaukee, everywhere. So tap into these in-person Unlimited Gems. When we tap in person, I will teach you hands-on how to start making money, point blank, period. All you got to do is listen, follow instructions, and do your part. I don't know, if I can do it, you can do it too. If anybody else, y'all see everybody else on social media doing it, you can do it too. It's all common sense. It's all about if you really want it or not, all right? So, in-person Limited Gems, crypto tour, you come to me, it's going to be $4,500, but if I come out of state to you, it's going to be $5,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be in person. If I come out of state to you, you got to also pay for my flight and my hotel, all right? I'm going to teach you all about credit. I'm going to teach you all about the dark web. I'm going to teach you everything, all right? You're going to start making money that day, instant. You just got to put your mind and your grind to it. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to be right there. And by the time I leave, you will be good, all right? So tap into the in-person Limited Gems crypto tour. Don't miss out on the opportunity to start changing your life and making this free cash that everybody out here making, that you could be making too. Oh, my God. Stop missing out on this opportunity, all right? So tap in. Also, if you're looking to get your 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, tap into my Telegram or my Instagram. My Telegram is Wealth and Riches. You can find it in my community posts and all my descriptions. My IG is King Hustle X1M. Go follow. Go send me them screenshots. Let me know your payment ready. Do not stop yelling me in my inbox. Stop asking me a million questions. Stop talking my ear off. Business talks, BS walks. Point blank period. I'm a man of business. I like people who like to handle business. I like people who don't like to play games, just ready to learn how to get this cash. All right, so send me them screenshots of your 320 or your 600 be on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance when you contact me on my IG or my Telegram, or you will be instantly blocked, point blank period. We ain't got time to games. We ain't got time to be. It's too much money being made. Too many people out here getting these lessons. Too many people that want their lessons. So y'all got to understand, I don't got time for games because people out here really winning. People out here really learning, and we ain't got time to be playing around with people. All right, so Wealth of Riches is my Telegram. 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards for $320. Or you can get your FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems for $600. Tap in, go subscribe, go follow me, IG, Telegram. Link is in my community post and in my bio. In my description of all my videos. Don't get scammed by these fake King Hustle pages out here. Dropping new music soon. Dropping fire music. Go follow King Hustle X1M on YouTube right now. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to drop the video. Free 10K. Go like, subscribe, comment. I'm doing the giveaways. 10 got them Jordans giving away. Methods giving away. Go follow me on IG right now for free methods. And let's continue to win, man. It's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.